In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change extensions in Firefox. This process is essential for managing the functionality of your browser. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience, but it's important to keep them organized and updated. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your Firefox is tailored to your needs. First, click the menu button located in the top right corner of your Firefox browser. This button looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to various features and settings within Firefox. Finding this menu is your gateway to managing extensions effectively. Once you see the menu, you'll be one step closer to customizing your browsing experience. Next, select Add-ons and Themes from the drop-down menu. This option opens a new tab dedicated to managing all your add-ons, including extensions and themes. When you click on it, you will see a variety of options that allow you to personalize your browser further. This is significant because it centralizes all the tools you need to modify how Firefox operates. You can easily navigate through your installed extensions and themes from this section. From there, click on Extensions in the left sidebar. This action brings you to the Extensions Management area. Here you will see a list of all the extensions you have installed. Each extension will have its own box that provides key information about its functionality. This view is crucial because it allows you to quickly assess which extensions are active and which ones need attention. You will feel more in control of your browsing experience as you see all your extensions in one place. Now you can turn an extension on or off using the blue toggle switch next to each extension's name. When you toggle the switch to blue, it enables the extension, while toggling it off will disable it. This option is vital for managing your extensions without having to uninstall them completely. If you find that you are not using a particular extension frequently, you can easily toggle it off to keep your browser running smoothly. If you want to manage or remove an extension, click the three-dot menu next to it. This menu will give you additional options for each extension. You can choose to remove the extension entirely or manage its settings. By having this flexibility, you can easily customize your experience and remove any unnecessary clutter from your browser. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your Firefox organized. Next, click on an extension's name to access additional settings. This will open a new page that provides detailed information about the extension. You can adjust permissions, change update preferences, and access other relevant options. Diving into these settings is important because it allows you to tailor the extension's functionality to your specific needs. You have the power to decide how each extension interacts with your browsing experience. You can also manage extensions from the Extensions button, which is represented by a puzzle piece icon in the toolbar. Clicking this icon gives you quick access to your extensions. This shortcut is handy for users who frequently manage their extensions. It streamlines the process and makes it easier to access your favorite tools without navigating through multiple menus. Once you click the puzzle piece icon, click the gear icon next to an extension. This gear icon represents settings for that specific extension. From here, you can choose several options such as pinning the extension to the toolbar or removing it entirely. This functionality is beneficial because it allows you to keep your toolbar neat and organized while ensuring that you have quick access to the extensions you use the most. To change how an extension updates, open Add-ons and Themes and select Extensions. Find the extension you want to modify and scroll to the Automatic Updates section. Here you can choose between three options: on, off, or default. Managing updates is critical because it ensures that your extensions are always equipped with the latest features and security improvements. Keeping them updated helps protect your browsing experience. Finally, for security, always install extensions from Mozilla's official add-on store. This practice minimizes risks associated with malicious software. Additionally, remove any extensions you no longer use to keep your browser efficient and clutter-free. By following these steps, you will maintain a secure and personalized Firefox experience.